We have new details tonight on the death of Max McGregor. He's the Beaverton student who was hit and killed by a car on 185th, just feet from his home back in September. The woman accused of hitting and killing Max now faces criminal charges in the case.
Now, at the time, family members told us the driver, Michelle Young, was having seizures, and today she faced a Washington County judge charged with second-degree manslaughter. KOIN Local 6 reporter Amy Frazier was in the courtroom today. And Amy, the teenager's family is fighting to make sure this doesn't happen to anyone else.
That's right. Max McGregor's mom says her son would still be alive today if the driver had listened to her doctor.
State versus Michelle Ann Young.
Police arrested 41-year-old Michelle Young of Aloha this week after a grand jury indicted her for manslaughter in the death of 17-year-old Max McGregor. She entered a plea of not guilty today in Washington County Court, accused of unlawfully and recklessly causing the teen's death. In September, McGregor was on his way home from school and had just gotten off at his Aloha bus stop when he was hit by a car along Southwest 185th Avenue. Investigators say Young hit the teen, then two fences and a house. At the time, the driver's mother told us Young had a seizure earlier in the day and another one as she was driving home from the hospital. Max McGregor's family says Young should have never been behind the wheel. His mom, Peggy McGregor, has issued a statement saying, "I am thankful the grand jury and district attorney recognize that not only drugs and alcohol can impair a person's ability to drive a car. You can be impaired when you have an unsafe medical condition. If the driver had simply listened to her doctor, my son Max would still be alive today." And the driver, Michelle Young, is now scheduled to go to trial on February 5th. Reporting for you live in Washington County, Amy Frazier, KOIN Local 6.